Welcome to this amazing, beautiful channel of our fan. I am so delighted to get involved in this beautiful project. This is wonderful. I showed you when we were casting the decking. Look at the stage where we are now reached the Parapet stage 2023. This is a project of one of our fans. In 2023, we can do it. We can do it. I am telling you, we can do it. Look at the design. Look at it. Look at the front elevation. Look at the way we have put all the structure together. The front design. There is a line 7 that you can see there. Let me tell you, you can do it. I'm just telling you, this is to give you a synopsis, a breakdown from A to Z. When we did we casted the decking, and also when we were laying the first block on top of the decking. Now, let me tell you, when you're doing your parapet, the outer walls is 2 coaches. Don't get me wrong, the outer wall is 2 coaches, but inner structure that matches the edges of the parapet is 3 coaches. Because the outer wall is 2 coaches, then the parapet height is the height of additional block. We have done this top floor with about 3,200 blocks of 9 inches blocks. We never compromise quality of our project. We will use what we said we're going to use. Yes, come with me. I am showing you the beautiful project we have done for this amazing fan. Let me tell you, this is beautiful. We are going to start that step is a makeshift step. We use it to cast the decking. It's going to be removed anyway. Is part of that side elevation. That left elevation is part of the design. You see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That aspect that you're looking at, I'm focusing on, is hollow grooves. You're going to see the way. Oh, excuse me, I'm just sneezing. I'm so sorry about that. I don't want to sneeze on you. That's a bungalow at the back, which we did first, according to the direction of the owner. So, as you can see, what we're doing, you're going to see. I'm just giving you what we've just completed this last Friday gone. This Friday that is gone. Look at it. That is the right elevation side, which we also show it. We are very transparent with our project. We will not compromise. We will not say we want to use 9 inches blocks and then we end up using 6 inches blocks. And a couple of things that we corrected there. Our first worker did not do the right thing, so we decided that little black thing as a black membrane, which we used to protect the decking water not to seep down. Look at it. This is beautiful. I'm so delighted. The bottom one, we're going to remove the front window. There are 6 feet window. It's a wide window. We're going to extend that's the top roof. Now this is what I'm talking about. Inner here, you will use 3 coaches. 3 coaches around this area, which I'm showing now, is 3 coaches. But outer the external wall, we will use 2 coaches. The 3 coaches matches the level of the parapet. And that's why we're showing you the area view of the project. You can see, none of it that we compromise 6. There's a front balcony. There's a design there. That front part, we are going to do the parapet is going to overlap it, which one of these days I will show you the structure, the design of the whole building. We didn't compromise. That's when before we did the decking, sorry, so I'm now using speedy. I've made the video, speed the tempo of the video, so I don't want to bore you. So when we were doing the design, we used some marine board. You can see, I purposely, I don't want, that's the first part you saw. That's the iron rod, which we did there. You're going to see how we put the conduit pipe for the light. We put that one also there. So we're now fasting the speed of the project. For those of you, that's when we casted the lintel, solid lintel. So those of you who joined the video earlier on, the first part of it, the speed is wonderful. So that's I've changed the tempo of the speed again. You're going to get the speed again. You're going to see the speed is going to go faster in a minute as time goes on again. That's one of the things that we that's when we were doing the design. We did marine board inside. You can see the close as marine board. See the iron rod to cast the frame as it goes up. The first design which you saw earlier on, you're going to see that. Okay, that's what we're trying to see, the base of it. That's the carpenter that did the marine board. As you can see there, we will not say we'll use marine board and then go and use cheap wood. So that's the beginning of the work that you saw earlier on as we started. We supplied 4,000 blocks. We have not finished the 4,000 blocks. We used 3,000 and something blocks to do the project. So the speed, just to make the speed, quicken the speed a bit, as just the make of the project that we show you earlier on. And then you can see, just need to fast the tempo of the project. So that's when we're setting the blocks on the decking of the first one, which you see. This is just the making of it, as you can see there. And don't worry about the speed. If you can go back and rewatch the first part of the video, sincerely, we have used 9 inches throughout the project, and we're casting our mind back. We're showing you far back as how we started it, when we started the project. So you can see, when we were doing it like that, look at it as the stage, the window level, which we are doing here, and that's the welder there trying to bend, and that's the supply of 200 cement. The owner supplied us. We requested for 200 bags of cement, and that's what we've been working on. And that, look at that now. So it is very important. This 2023, you can do it. You can do it. Don't see, things will not improve. It's whatever you decide to do that you get. That's when we're getting the pillars. The iron rod. You can see the gap between the ring of all the pillars. You can see the gap. They're not wide. Some people will just mice and manage. We don't manage materials in our own project. When we do project for our client, we do not manage materials at all. Not at all. We don't do that. We never do that. So that's what we are putting together now. So that the carpenter is now doing the lintel stage. And after the lintel, like I said, 2 coaches. If you're going to do parapet, yes, 2 coaches. That's the mixing of it. That's the casting of the parapet. Sorry, the casting of the lintel. So if you're going to do parapet, only 2 coaches at the external wall, and then internal crisscross connection is 3 coaches. So just to bring you an idea of how this project of this young man has reached in less than 2 weeks. See, there's nothing we cannot do if we are determined. And every Nigerian that has left the shores of Nigeria to go abroad, to go to America, to go to Europe, to go to all Western world parts, they are determined. This young man is determined, is resilient, he has he has drank the water of an hour. Look at it. That's the 2 coaches I was talking about, only above the lintel if you're going to do parapet. Yes, that's what we have done. You can see there. That's the design in front of the Oh, it's finished now. Oh, don't know what happened to that. Oh, it's just a blank there. I'm so sorry. We will get. I think it's still running. The video is still running. I don't know what cuts the video. Bear with me. It shouldn't have stopped like that. Believe in God for. Bear with me. Let me go back to the front part of it. Sorry about that. Okay, all right. So that's just, I think that's to those of you just, just going to round up. That's the making of it. I'm rounding this video up now. It's not a long video I wanted to do. It's just to give you an idea of the make of how we got to that project. How we got to that. I'm going to show you the front view of it. And we did this less than 2 weeks. In less than 2 weeks, we achieved this. And whatever you're determined to do in the new year, you can do it. I believe it. You're determined. Look at the cantilever. We give it a strong beam, strong support. And look at what we've done in front of it like that. We've built the house according to the design and the building plan, which we have done here. It's something that you too can do. If this young man can do it, you also can do it. I'm going to wrap up this. It's just to ginger our week to see what our fellow Nigerian ebony fan can achieve in less than 2 weeks. Less than 2 weeks, we are able to put this together. Thank God for the resources he pumped in. Somebody, you could see that he completed the back bungalow, and is now doing the main house. Now he's even planning of doing another thing because there's still plenty of space on the ground, which is going to utilize this space as time goes on. Look at it. I'm so delighted with this kind of, when people are happy to. I will show you the 3D one of these days. We built the house according to the 3D specification. All right. Okay. That's just about that. Week is going to be a wonderful week, a beautiful week. That's the gate there. That's the entrance. We still have more blocks now that we have not finished. And then look at the pillar. We've put electric conduit inside the pillar. Yes. You can do it. You can do it. On Ebony World TV, you can do it. You can do it. There's nothing we cannot do that you cannot achieve. If this can be done in less than, the top floor can be done in less than 2 weeks, yes, you can do it. You can do it. That's not an entrance. We're just using it to transport material into the building. Okay, it's more convenient for us to get material straight into the building. Okay, I can enlarge that and look at it. Sorry, let me just, as a design, we're going to unfold that. That's the whole thing, and that's from the first bungalow we did, and everything is taking shape. We're going to do the parapet thing in the next couple of days. We're starting work on the parapet and see the amount of land on the ground. We can still accommodate 2-bedroom bungalow at the back there. Okay. So once the video reaches the front of it now, I come to an end of today's show. Thank you, all of you. Thank you, every one of you. We are all determined that we've left the shore of Nigeria. We can do it. We can do it. We can do wonderful work, and we don't mind materials. We do the right thing for you. Okay? Thank you, and God bless you all. Have a wonderful week. Thank you. Thank you very much.